to Mama Bear, she give me some honey, yeah. Got a pocket of dollars, loosening the buttons on my blue collar, yeah. Ooh, this is what I do, this is where I stand, this is who I am. Living the song of a rambling man, getting it done with my own two hands. Putting some green in a coffee can for when I'm gone, when I'm gone. Drinking my truck like a Cadillac, cranking it up in my cowboy hat, going and bumping to the man in black and singing along. I got my country on. Rolling it home, 5 o'clock on a Friday. Gonna spend the next couple days doing it my way, yeah. Oh yeah. Call up a few friends, build a fire in the backyard. Gonna be some chillin' chicken